Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here. 2 Corinthians 5:17. And remember, small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. Hey there, eco-warriors. Today I want to share something that could make a big difference in your kitchen and our planet. Ditching plastic and switching to beeswax wraps. Now I know what you're thinking. Why beeswax wraps? Well, let's dive into it. First off, beeswax wraps are a fantastic sustainable alternative to plastic wrap. Made from organic cotton infused with beeswax, tree resin, and jojoba oil, these wraps are natural, biodegradable, and reusable. That's right, reusable. Imagine the piles of plastic you won't be contributing to landfills. But it's not just about reducing waste. Beeswax wraps are super versatile. You can use them to cover bowls, wrap sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. They even mold to the shape of your food or container with the warmth of your hands. Talk about convenience. And here's a cool fact. Beeswax has natural antibacterial properties. That means your food stays fresher for longer. No more dried out cheese or sad limp lettuce. Using beeswax wraps is also a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Unlike plastic wraps that can leach toxic chemicals into your food, beeswax wraps are all natural and safe. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just wash them with cool water and mild soap, air dry, and they're ready to use again. It's that simple. Now let's talk about the impact. Did you know that millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our oceans every year? By switching to beeswax wraps, you're not just reducing your plastic footprint, you're helping to protect marine life and our environment. It might seem like a small change, but it adds up. Plus, beeswax wraps are a great way to support local beekeepers and artisans. Many of these wraps are handmade, supporting sustainable practices and local economies. So you're not only making an eco-friendly choice, but also a meaningful one. Alright, eco-warriors, it's time to take action. Next time you're in the kitchen, reach for a beeswax wrap instead of plastic. Every little bit counts, and together we can make a big difference. Ready to ditch plastic and switch to beeswax wraps? Let's do this! Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and tricks. Stay green and keep shining. Catch you next time.